The automotive world is once again witnessing a massive wave of innovation from China, and this time, it comes from BYD, the global leader in new energy vehicles. With the unveiling of the BYD Titanium 3 and BYD Tai 7, the company has taken yet another bold leap toward redefining what modern electric mobility should look like. These two models represent BYD's evolving vision of sustainable luxury, performance, and intelligent design, crafted to meet the growing demands of both domestic and international markets. As we continue, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our next videos. The Titanium 3 and Tai 7 are not just new additions to the BYD lineup. They symbolize the next phase of China's dominance in the global EV revolution, showing that the brand has no intention of slowing down anytime soon. The BYD Titanium 3, a striking mid-size SUV, is positioned as a practical yet highly advanced family car that merges elegance with efficiency. On the other hand, the BYD Tai 7, a larger and more luxurious SUV, sits higher in the lineup, showcasing the brand's latest advancements in design, comfort, and performance. Together, these two vehicles reflect BYD's ability to cover every segment of the EV spectrum, from affordable, daily-use electric cars to high-end premium models that can compete with global giants like Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. The global audience has shown massive interest in both models since their unveiling, and pre-orders in the Chinese market have already crossed impressive figures, signaling another commercial success for BYD. The story behind these vehicles is as fascinating as the cars themselves. BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, has been in the automotive business since 2003 and has now become one of the most valuable EV companies in the world. Known for its dominance in battery technology and electric drivetrains, BYD designs and produces almost every major component in-house, from the blade battery to electric motors and control systems. This self-reliant manufacturing strategy has enabled the company to lower production costs while maintaining high-quality standards, a formula that has allowed BYD to sell over 3 million new energy vehicles in 2024 alone. The introduction of the Titanium 3 and Tai 7 marks a new chapter in the company's mission to blend luxury and practicality in fully electric SUVs that can stand toe-to-toe with the world's best. Starting with the BYD Titanium 3, the design immediately captures attention with its aerodynamic curves, futuristic LED headlights, and an assertive stance that combines sophistication with sportiness. The Titanium 3 sits on BYD's latest e-Platform 3.0, a dedicated EV architecture that enhances efficiency, safety, and performance. The front fascia features a clean yet aggressive look, characterized by a narrow lighting bar that stretches across the width of the vehicle, giving it a distinctive presence both day and night. The smooth surface lines flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, reducing air resistance and improving efficiency, while the retractable door handles and frameless windows add a touch of modern luxury. Inside, the Titanium 3 offers a refined and futuristic cabin that mirrors BYD's dedication to craftsmanship and technology. The centerpiece of the interior is BYD's iconic rotating infotainment display, an expansive 15.6-inch touchscreen that can rotate between landscape and portrait modes, depending on driver preference. The system runs on BYD's updated Dialink OS, which integrates voice control, smart navigation, over-the-air updates, and seamless connectivity with smartphones and smart home devices. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel delivers high-resolution visuals, while a head-up display projects vital information directly onto the windshield, reducing distraction for the driver. Soft-touch materials, Nappa leather seats, and ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere that rivals European brands, while the panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of spaciousness. In terms of dimensions, the Titanium 3 sits perfectly in the mid-size SUV category, making it ideal for families. The long wheelbase ensures excellent legroom for both front and rear passengers, and the flat floor design, made possible by the dedicated EV platform, means everyone gets generous space to stretch out. The rear seats can recline, and the cabin is well insulated against outside noise thanks to double-glazed windows and an advanced NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness system. Cargo capacity is equally impressive, with enough room to accommodate luggage for long trips, making it a practical choice for modern lifestyles. Underneath, the Titanium 3 draws its power from BYD's world-renowned Blade battery, a lithium iron phosphate (LFP) pack known for its exceptional safety, long lifespan, and energy efficiency. The Blade battery has been tested under extreme conditions, including nail penetration tests, and has proven to be one of the safest in the world. The Titanium 3 comes in both single-motor and dual-motor configurations, offering a range between 510 kilometers and 650 kilometers on a single charge under the CLTC test cycle. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version delivers exhilarating performance, capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.9 seconds, while maintaining stable handling and excellent traction in all weather conditions. With a combined output of approximately 550 horsepower, thanks to a powerful rear motor rated at 450 kilowatts and a front motor at 100 kilowatts, it offers a dynamic driving experience that rivals many performance sedans. The vehicle reaches a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour, supported by an advanced 800-volt architecture and a 112 kilowatt-hour battery pack that ensures both high-speed capability and extended range. Fast charging capability allows the battery to charge from 30% to 80% in just under 25 minutes using BYD's latest DC supercharging system, making it extremely convenient for long-distance travel. In contrast, the BYD Tai 7 sits in a higher category, aiming at those who desire a blend of luxury, technology, and commanding road presence. The Tai 7 takes BYD's ocean aesthetics design philosophy to the next level, with a more imposing exterior and refined details that immediately communicate prestige. The front end features a bolder grille design integrated with a matrix LED lighting system that gives it an almost jewel-like appearance at night. The proportions are elegant yet powerful, with a long bonnet, sculpted sides, and a sleek roofline that tapers toward the rear. The 22-inch alloy wheels add to the SUV's muscular stance, while the flush door handles and continuous LED taillight bar emphasize the clean, futuristic styling. Stepping inside the BYD Tai 7 feels like entering a luxury lounge on wheels. Every element of the interior has been designed for maximum comfort and technological sophistication. The cabin layout is dominated by a massive 17-inch central touchscreen and a fully digital driver's display that blends seamlessly into the minimalist dashboard. The infotainment system runs on BYD's latest e-Pilot interface, which integrates artificial intelligence and voice assistants capable of controlling almost every vehicle function. Passengers can adjust seat temperature, ambient lighting, or even sunshade settings using natural voice commands. The system also supports 5G connectivity, allowing ultra-fast data transfer and real-time map updates, as well as integration with smart home devices for a connected lifestyle. Seating comfort in the Tai 7 is nothing short of exceptional. The SUV offers a luxurious 6-seat configuration, featuring independent captain chairs in the second row with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The third-row seats are also spacious, unlike in many competitors, and can comfortably accommodate adult passengers. Every seat is upholstered in premium leather, and the air suspension system ensures a smooth, float-like ride quality even on rough terrain. The sound system, co-developed with Dynaudio, delivers a concert-like experience with over 20 strategically placed speakers, while the multi-zone climate control system keeps the cabin at perfect temperatures for every occupant. When it comes to performance, the BYD Tai 7 sets a new benchmark for electric luxury SUVs. Powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, the Tai 7 produces a combined output of 530 horsepower and a staggering 680 Newton-meters of torque, enabling it to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.3 seconds. The vehicle's power is drawn from a 100 kilowatt-hour blade battery pack that offers up to 720 kilometers of range under the CLTC standard, putting it ahead of many global competitors. The Tai 7 also supports ultra-fast charging that replenishes 300 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes, thanks to BYD's advanced charging technology. In addition, the Tai 7 comes with an intelligent energy management system that optimizes power usage based on driving conditions, ensuring that efficiency and performance remain perfectly balanced. We've come a long way, and that's not all. Now click on the subscribe button to support our channel. Safety is another area where both the Titanium 3 and Tai 7 shine. Both models are equipped with BYD's latest ePilot intelligent driving assistance system, which includes over 30 safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, traffic jam assist, and blind spot detection. The system uses a combination of LiDAR, high-resolution cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar units to provide 360-degree awareness around the vehicle. In the Tai 7, the system also enables semi-autonomous driving on highways, allowing the car to automatically change lanes, overtake, and maintain safe distances from other vehicles. The Titanium 3 offers similar features, but focuses more on urban driving scenarios, with intelligent parking assist and pedestrian recognition as standard. Both models also showcase BYD's commitment to sustainability beyond just electric powertrains. Many of the interior materials are eco-friendly, made from recycled plastics, plant-based fibers, and low-emission leathers. Even the manufacturing process of these vehicles emphasizes carbon neutrality, with BYD's factories powered largely by renewable energy. This aligns perfectly with the company's long-term mission to promote a cleaner, greener planet through innovation in new energy vehicles. Pricing for the BYD Titanium 3 and Tai 7 is yet another highlight that has captured global attention. The Titanium 3 is expected to start at around $33,000 for the base model and can go up to $43,000 for the top trim with dual motors and extended range, offering incredible value for money compared to similar SUVs from Europe or the United States. The Tai 7, being a more luxurious offering, starts at around $55,000 and extends up to $68,000 for the fully equipped version with all-wheel drive and premium interior options. These price points make them not only attractive to the Chinese domestic market, but also highly competitive in global markets such as Europe, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. The BYD Titanium 3 and BYD Tai 7 demonstrate just how far Chinese automakers have come in redefining electric mobility.